Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request cards in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those apps and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download and install the Clash Royale app. After downloading and installing the Clash Royale app, it's going to take you right into the battle screen of the application where you're going to be asked to pass through the first phase of your tournament. Now, once you're done with that first phase of your tournament, it's going to take you right into the screen, home screen, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now let's quickly hop into today's text, and that's how to request cards in Clash Royale. So you're gonna have to join a clan for you to request a card in the clan. So join a clan, and after joining the clan, then you can now head over to the bottom right corner of your screen where you have the Clash. So that's the clan window. So that's next. So this is the battle, and the next icon is the clan icon. So this is it. So I joined the clan, and my clan is RD Gang. So if I want to request cards in this clan, I'm not going to do is check the bottom of my screen where you have this request cards, friendly battle, and this message icons. So I'm going to go ahead and click on request cards. Now, I cannot click on request cards because what happens? Requesting cards unlocks at King level 3, and I am not in that level yet. I'm in level 1. So once you're done, once you're in King, you've unlocked, almost you've exceeded King level 3, then come over here and you see that this is going to be enabled. Go ahead and click on request cards. It's going to take you to a window where you're going to have all the cards that you can request. So click on anyone that is free, and after clicking on that, follow through with the on-screen instructions to get your card. So that's just pretty much it. So come here, click on request cards, take to the next window, select the card that you want, click on it, and get your card. That's pretty much the process. You can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.